Okay, let us look at another expression here, how to convert from infix to prefix, right? So let us look at this expression here. First we will do it using the direct method here. As we can see, there is a parenthesis here, so I will say a plus b star. Then I have to solve this parenthesis. In the parenthesis I have exponential and minus here, right? So exponential has greater precedence than minus, therefore I'll say here exponential CD minus E, right? Now again I need to solve this parenthesis, where here this becomes our operand 1 and this becomes operand 2 and this becomes our operator. So for prefix I will say star minus exponential CD E, correct? So now I have solved exponential and minus, and the operators that are left to be resolved are multiplication and plus. Now how do I do that? So here plus is yet to be resolved and multiplication is yet to be resolved, right? So here as we can see, multiplication has greater precedence than plus, right? The precedence of multiplication is 2 and the precedence of plus is 3. Therefore I need to resolve multiplication first. So what will be operand 1? Because I am yet to resolve plus, operand 1 would be b, and then operand 2 would be this whole thing, right? So I'll say a plus, right? I will write star before b, star b, right, minus exponential c d and e, right? Now the only operator that is left is plus. A would be operand 1 and this whole thing would be operand 2 here. Yes, so here I'll write plus a, right? I will bring plus here, and then star b minus exponential c d e, which is our prefix expression for this infix expression, correct? Okay, great. So now I will resolve it using we'll do it using the stack method, correct? So using the stack method, we just need to reverse the expression first and then follow the rules in the previous videos to do it, right? So again, to convert this into prefix, we need to first resolve it carefully, correct? So I will resolve it carefully here itself. I will reverse it carefully here itself. So I'll say here the close bracket, and then comes e, then comes minus d exponential c open bracket star b plus a, right? So close bracket minus d exponential c open bracket star b plus a, right? So now we will scan this expression token by token from left to right. I have here input, stack and output. So the first token is the close bracket. I will push it into the stack and then nothing in the output. So the rule is that whenever you have encounter parenthesis, just push it into the stack. Then comes e. E is not a operator, therefore I'll write e here in the output. Then comes minus, therefore I will push minus into the stack because minus is an operator. I will write e as it is. Then comes d, right? D is not an operator. I will write d here. Then comes exponential. Now exponential has greater precedence than that of minus, therefore according to rule number 1, I need to push it into the stack, right? E and d, right? Then comes c, right? I will write it as it is, e d c, right? Then comes the open bracket, right? As I've already told you, once we encounter close and open brackets, we need to pop out all the operators in the stack. So e d c, I will pop out exponential and then minus, right? Now comes star. So once I pop out, nothing is there inside the stack, then only star is there. I'll push star into the stack here, e d c exponential minus. Then comes b, right? Star e d c exponential minus and then b, right? And then comes plus. Now plus has less precedence than the operator in the stack, right? Plus has less precedence than the operator in the stack. According to the rule, if the incoming operator has less precedence than the operator in the stack, we need to pop this operator in the stack, right, from the stack. So I'll say here star and push plus into the stack, correct? Then comes a, right? Plus remains here, and I'll say a e d c exponential minus b star a, right? We have scanned the whole expression here from left to right. The only operator left in the stack is plus, so I will just pop out plus here. Now the stack does not contain any operators, it is empty. This is not our answer, this is a postfix expression. We need to convert this into an infix, so I'll just reverse it out. So I'll say here plus a star b minus exponential c d e, right? This is my prefix expression. As you can see, plus a star b minus exponential c d e is exactly the same as that we have done in the direct method, which means that our answer is correct. So this is a medium level expression which we have solved. If you have understood this, I want you to leave a comment. If you have any doubts also, I would like you to leave a comment, right? Thank you for watching this video. In the next videos, we will do the final complex expressions where we'll be having nested parentheses as well as large expressions. Thank you for watching.